Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. Today on my YouTube channel, we going over Phoenix Protocol. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Today on my channel, I got another secret crypto gem I want to bring to y'all attention. Phoenix Protocol. I was contacted by the development team to bring y'all an update on this project. And today on my channel, we're gonna review Phoenix Protocol and see what they have to offer, what this DAO token has to offer. So if we hop into the chart, you can see Phoenix Protocol was released on March 26. It's currently sitting at a $1.3 million market cap. They have 630 holders and 127,000 in liquidity. From the looks of it, the chart just broke out and created a new all-time high. It's going through a little correction right now, so it may be a good entry point for Phoenix. You can buy this token on Uniswap. The ticker symbol on DEXTOOLS is PP. I will have all of the information linked below. If we hop back into the website, you can see what Phoenix Protocol is all about. Passion of the project is to create a social trading alpha community governed by a DAO. If you don't know what a DAO is, it's a decentralized autonomous organization in cryptocurrency where it's governed by the community and it doesn't have a central authority figure. Phoenix Protocol is also a multi-utility rewards token with regular airdrops and buybacks. It's also deflationary, and they'll have stable platforms for launchpad trading and marketing. If we stroll down, we can read more about Phoenix Protocol, just some quick things about it. This token is available on Uniswap. I will have the contract address and the link to buy it on Uniswap in the description. You can see the PP token is an ERC20 utility governance token. And if you read here, you can see some quick Ds: access to buy PP and gain DAO membership, stability, buybacks, liquidity, lock and burnt, rewards, so there'll be lottery airdrops to loyal holders. They have a roadmap release with a launchpad marketing and trading. They have a DApp coming soon, and also they will have a staking platform. And like I said, this project was launched on March 25th. If we scroll down, we can read the tokenomics. You can see the max total supply was 69 million. The liquidity is locked and burnt. The tax is 3% in, 15% out. Taxes decrease as LP increase. This token, Phoenix Protocol, will also have regular buybacks and burns. So far, they burnt over 10 million Phoenix Protocol tokens. And you can see all of the utilities launched so far. They launched the People's Project, which is the DAO that was launched. They have a petition plan, which is the community airdrops of tokens that will be sent to loyal members. They have a profit provision, which is the DAO trading wallet. They have a profit provision, which was the DAO trading wallets that was also launched. A perseverance pad, which is the token launch service, which is a launch pad. And they also have paid promo where you can get your project featured on their DAO. This project, Phoenix Protocol, they're posting community updates on Medium, and you can see here the roadmap laid out. It's an extensive roadmap that stretches all the way into 2023. They plan on developing staking pools, a DApp, burning 30% of the supply. They have a bear market survival protocol. They also launched their own swap. So they have their own swap here. The Phoenix Protocol swap is already launched. They already started the treasury, listings on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. It's a lot that this project has developed so far. I will have all of the links to this project in the description. They're building an ecosystem around the Alpha DAO. The Phoenix Protocol token is the native currency for the Alpha DAO ecosystem that they're building. By being a part of the community, being a loyal member, you'll get access to different rewards and airdrops. I will have all of the information for this project linked in the description. Make sure y'all check out Phoenix Protocol. It's listed on Uniswap right now. It's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm out. Peace.